Honeywell sent me this modern desk lamp for my review, and it's pretty cool. I've been playing with it for literally 10 minutes, and I love it. I think it looks really good on, it would look really good on any desk. It will look great on this desk for sure. Now, the first thing first comes with this power cable, of course, so plug that in and one input, and that is it. And the really cool thing about this is it is modern. It's all plastic. The base is a little bit more solid or more hefty in terms of weight, because this thing will go up this way and go up that way as well. So you can actually have all different modes of having this light hit your desk or your work, or even just have it as a practical lamp in the background type of thing, right? So you could literally have it any way you want, just like that. So, and even tilt this way, right? So I can tilt it towards the camera. As you can see, you've got all these little LEDs that we can very, very well see here. And this is what lights up. Now, on the base, you do have different ways to control this light. Obviously, the power button. So I'm just turned it on. As you can see, it is fully on. And wow, is it ever bright? Woohoo! Incredible. So you've got a plus and minus, so I can bring it down. And as you can see, it is going down just like that now. I'm going to bring it back up. And I think I figured out a little bit better way for you guys to see the difference. And you're going to see the kind of the difference of the color right here. So right now I'm kind of more of a warm tone. I can go into a little cooler, a lot cooler, as you can tell. Very, very cool. So there's 4 different tones of color, and then back to the warm. And if I'm on that super, super cool one, and I hit the work button, I'm going to hit the work button, and it changes just slightly, ever so slightly, into a more warm tone. It does have a timer, which I think is cool. You press it down, only one button, one timer. It will actually light up to let you know that you've pressed the timer, and it starts a countdown of 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, that light will shut off automatically, which is a nice little feature there. And you do have the plus and minuses that I said, so you could actually control the intensity up and down as you'd prefer. But yeah, this thing is really cool, very, very modern looking, but it could definitely be used, like I said, as a background light or as your main desk light. I think Honeywell did a fantastic job with this one.